Everyone, welcome back to Suntt YouTube channel. Today we are diving into a topic that's both fascinating and delicious, which is potatoes. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscription button. So please subscribe, like. Let's talk about the incredible health benefits of potato. What are potatoes? Potatoes are roots or tuber crop, and they are also a staple in many households, come in various types and sizes. From sweet potato, they have been a dietary cornerstone for centuries. What are the nutritional value of potatoes? The first nutritional value of potato: one, vitamin. It contains vitamins, minerals, and fiber. And potato contributes significantly to a well-balanced diet. Why? Because it has essential nutritional values, which I just said previously, and its health benefits, which plays a significant role or a crucial role in supporting heart health, aid in digestion, and providing a steady source of energy throughout the day. When you eat potato, you notice you're full for the day. And did you know they offer more potassium than banana? Is it true? Yes, actually it's true. They provide more potassium than banana. Some facts about potato. Potato, when prepared healthily, can be a nutritious addition to your meal. So I just bust the myth. Now, preparation and cooking. Potato can be prepared in various ways you like. Alright, let's talk about the fun parts of preparing and cooking potatoes. Whether I prefer them baked, boiled, or mashed, there are countless ways actually to enjoy the benefits of this versatile veggie. Potato also can be classified as vegetable. Stick around and I'll be sharing a simple and nutritious potato recipe. Now let me show you a quick and healthy potato recipe with you. It's a delicious potato and herb roast. Now let's go. Ingredients: 4 medium-sized potatoes. You wash it, take off dirt, and dice using your knife. And secondly, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, or you can use any oil of your choice, but olive oil or coconut oil would be better. 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon dried rosemary oil, and salt and pepper for taste. Salt and pepper, not too much salt, just a little, and pepper for taste actually. Now, the preparation. The first, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, toast the diced potatoes with olive oil, garlic powder, dried rosemary, salt, and pepper. All these ingredients, you put them in a bowl. Spread the seasoned potato on a baked sheet in a single layer. The potato, the one you've put all the ingredients on, you put them in a sheet in a single layer. You roast in a preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the potato are golden and crispy. Oh my god. Remove from the oven, then let them cool for a moment and serve. You can see this is a very simple recipe. Not only enhances the natural flavor of potato, but also adds a burst of herbs for extra taste. So feel free to get creative and adjust the seasoning to your liking. So aside from all the recipe I gave it to you, if you have any other one, you can share actually in the comment section below. And finally, there you have it, the incredible health benefit of potato. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If at all you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share your thoughts or potato recipe in the comment below. I want to see your potato recipe in the comment below. So subscribe for more fantastic content, and I'll catch up with you in the next one. Stay healthy and eat healthy. Happy eating!